We all know we've got to do whatever we can to go greener, but at what cost?
Our homes count for 25% of our carbon footprint, and there are huge carbon savings we can make at home. But working out what to do can actually be incredibly frustrating.
Imagine not just switching energy supplier, but trying to work out whether you should get solar panels, a heat pump, a battery or insulation. What's that upfront cost? What's the carbon impact? And what's the reduction in your energy bills going to be?
The Switch mission is to demystify the complexity. We've already saved our members over 18,000 tonnes of carbon and over £4 million in reductions in their energy bills. And now we're introducing MakeMyHouseGreen, a tool which gives people accurate, impartial and data-driven advice on how to make their homes greener, to accelerate those carbon savings. It's a free-to-use tool, and we make our money from the install process, passing none of that cost on to the customer.
We started Switch to get our members the best and the fairest energy deals across the entire market, not to switch them to the energy provider that paid the highest commission. And with our auto-switching technology, they know they'll always be on the best energy deal.
Our approach is to use energy and complex data analysis to make sure that we make the right decision for your energy, whilst making it super simple for our members. And increasingly we're finding that the right decision is not necessarily the cheapest. The best decision can also be the greenest.
We've built Switched into an operationally profitable business, switching thousands of our members a year to better home energy deals. Our unit economics are sound, our customer satisfaction and retention are on target, and the business is growing. Now we're building on our experience, our access to data and energy expertise to bring MakeMyHouseGreen to the market.
The market for greener homes is huge and growing. From the 25 million who aren't efficiently insulated to millions more who could benefit from installing solar panels. Plus, there are 22 million homes with gas boilers, and that's just the UK. The global market is 50 times bigger.
We're going through a time of great upheaval and opportunity. Technology is advancing and consumer behaviour is changing. Global governments are making policy headway. Through this, MakeMyHouseGreen will help households find the best energy options for them.
One of the big reasons that we invested in Switched is the team. We really believe in their ability to deliver quality quickly. They've already built a product that customers love and a promising business in a very competitive environment. Their green credentials are also really important to us here at Nationwide. The Switch team are dedicated to furthering the green home energy agenda just as we are.
I am an investor director into Switched, and I had to invest in that business because that you need to have two founders in the business that click together. And for me, I think the uniqueness of having Tom being the person writing the technology and actually building the technology, and that's my background, with Llewellyn, who was running everything else, was a great combination.
By investing in Switch, you'll be joining the journey and helping us take the business to the next level.
We built all our own technology in-house, which makes us nimble and flexible, and we'll use your investment to help accelerate our software development.
We'll add new products and capabilities to the MakeMyHouseGreen platform to stay ahead of the market. We'll continue to invest in the platforms and the customer experience, and we'll always use data to ensure that every home we help has the right energy decision for them.
We've already proven we can acquire customers at a great cost of acquisition, so we want to seize the momentum in this market and scale rapidly. So, let's help people make their homes greener today.